How to troubleshoot audio artifacts after separation on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, upload the audio file you want to separate by clicking on the Select Files button. After processing, if you notice audio artifacts such as unwanted noise, distortion, or glitches in the separated tracks, don't worry. These issues can sometimes happen due to the quality of the original file or the separation mode used. To troubleshoot audio artifacts, try using a higher quality original audio file, preferably in WAV or FLAC format, to get better separation results. You can also experiment with different separation modes on Lalal.ai, such as vocal and instrumental or drums only, to see which mode produces the cleanest output. If you are using the free version, consider upgrading to the premium plan to access advanced separation algorithms that help reduce artifacts. It's also important to avoid uploading heavily compressed or low bitrate files, as these tend to produce more artifacts after separation. If the artifacts still persist, try re-uploading the file and processing it again to make sure no upload errors occurred. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot audio artifacts after separation on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.